Hello. In today's lab, I'll be cooking a 2-egg omelet. I'll be using eggs, cheese, some extra ingredients that I picked up for toppings, pepper and salt, grits as a side. I clarified my butter earlier and I have some vegetable oil. First, I chopped my vegetables and sauteed them ahead of time. I then beat 2 eggs until they were mixed well. I heated my pan on medium-low with enough clarified butter in it to cover the bottom of the pan. Cooking the omelet was fast, so once I poured the eggs into the pan, I began stirring the eggs, making sure to bring in the edges and shake the pan so that the uncooked parts can run into the cracks as they open. I did this until the omelet began to form. I then let it sit to finish, adding my toppings and seasoning at this point. I then took my spatula and flipped 1/3 of the omelet onto itself, just covering the middle. And I'm going to use that same spatula to lift my omelet and slide it to the edge of the plate so that I can slide the unfolded edge of the omelet onto the plate and use the pan and the spatula to fold the rest of the omelet onto itself, creating the fold. And here's my omelet. I topped this one with cheese, some more salt and pepper, fresh thyme. I sliced some fresh tomatoes from my garden and sauteed red peppers and chives. I'm going to leave you here with pictures from the rest of my breakfast. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.